I was actually expecting this, but man, when you go camping with a 7-month-old, you're gonna have to pack a lot of things. So you need to make sure that they're warm, they're safe from the elements. Yeah, we packed a lot of stuff. So this is the stuff we're gonna bring. I have a couple of tents, light, chairs. Nothing is fancy, it's just simple camping stuff. Uy, natulog man ang camping boy. So he's probably saving his energy for the camping trip. Yeah. Oh, kuyawang shake oy. Ready na ka magansa matulog sa tent? Ha? Matulog ka sa tent? Yay!
Hi guys!
Wow,
Nami there's a Sand Ridge. Wow! So cute naman this boy! Wow! Okay, goats.
So we're here, the Sand Ridge Resort. It's basically a camping site. Kita niyo yung mga trees. Right now I'm trying to find a camping area and I just found one under the trees. It's a good spot. I just found a spot right here. Kuyawang shake oy. Nagcamping ang bata. So maingon nimo. Tugnaw? Ha, ni jacket mo ka. Jesus. Gusto. So I'm done setting up our tents. It's time to cook dinner. For dinner we're gonna have some soup and fried dried fish. Let's see if our rice is done. Check. Almost done. I've already chopped up some vegetables for the soup. I'm gonna use pork. Here's our pork. And then also some other ingredients: tomatoes, ginger, onion, garlic. Hi, bata. Ay. Lalingawan niya ay. Dahan kisig makita ng mga lights. Oh, dahan kig lights dong no? Oh. Time to add our Chinese cabbage. We're gonna cook some dried fish to pair with our soup. After cooking, they told me that Sheikh is already asleep. The baby is already asleep. Let's check him out. Ngaon na mi guys. Musudan kay bulad og sabaw. Life inside the tent. Ayun, ginawa mo. Time check 9:19 PM. So na namin sa sulod sa tent kaya di naman kayang kabugnaw sa gawas. Actually gi-underestimate na ko ang kabugnaw diri sa Barakatan sa Sunridge. Wala ko dala og kanila nga jacket ang gidala. Tugnaw mi tugnaw jud. Among bata is tulog na kayo. Yup. Ang mami is freshen up na siya. Yung matulog na may. Okay. Hi! Hi mami! Bata ang among Sheikh. 4:30 AM April 20. Wa ako katulog kay lain akong paminaw. Sipon, kalintura. Pero okay lang, kay lamig kayong tulog ni Sheikh. Ganahan kay siya mag-camping. Tago ko. Si mami po, lamig kayong tulog. Ako guys, wadyo katulog. Si gamay. Ay. Lamig init. Lamig inom ang init, no? Oy, good morning.
Morning. Morning, mami.
Tug na ko. Maliling.
Hala. Mata na. Wake up na. Wake up na siya. Hi. Good morning. Hala, wake up na ang baby. Huwag na kayo. Ama ka, magawas ka. Ay, gawas. Hoy. Hoy. Wait lang. Wait lang daw. Good morning. Mami, iat tanang lusik. Hi dong. Good morning, madlang people. Ba. Dire daw, ay dire daw mo ano. Nganta?